Hey, did you know that before you even start taping drywall, there's a lot of prep work you need to do? I'm gonna go over that and tell you what you gotta do right after this. All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you that there's more to taping and finishing drywall than just walking in and start taping. There's a number of things that you should do before you even get started. Like one thing is you should pre-fill. Now pre-fill basically means filling any gap that's like over 1/8 of an inch, or filling torn places where the sheetrock is broken off. Anywhere there's a gap, basically, you wanna pre-fill. It can also mean if you happen to have a section where there's recessed edges up against cut edges, you want to refill or pre-fill that. You don't want to refill it because you don't want to drink your drywall, so avoid that. So another thing you should do is walk through and make sure the screws look like they're set properly. Because if they are not set properly, if they're sticking out a little bit, it can cause you problems. If you're running taping tools, it can damage your taping tools. So kind of walk through and do a visual on it and drive anything if it's not set right. You'll also look for broken corners. Now we're gonna show you how to fix those in another video. I'm gonna walk you through and show you how I do all the pre-fill. I'm just describing the prep work here. So sometime you'll find a broken corner and you'll want to clean it up, cut some of it out. You want to get anything out that's loose and damaged and then pre-fill it. So if those gaps can be on butt joints, they can be on recess joints, they can be in your inside angles. If it's over 1/8 of an inch, you want to fill it with mud, and I'm going to explain why that's really important in the next video. So if you want to see how to do all of those repairs, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon, because I'm going to teach you all about drywall and drywall finishing, texturing, and so on. Hey, I thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you guys as always. You've helped me hit 160,000 subscribers as of today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot.